Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone battery draining fast by following these steps. So let's get started. So very first thing you want to do if you're having this issue is start by going to your setting and then go to the battery, of course. And then the battery gives you a lot of information that you need to know. For example, you want to see first your battery health. If your battery health is normal, that's good. Now, if it says service or if it's really degraded, like under 80%, of course, your battery is going to drain a little bit faster because it has age and battery replacement might be needed. However, there are other things you can do. For example, you can view battery usage. In the battery usage, it'll tell you basically what is taking up your battery. So if you're seeing an app that's draining your battery, you may consider first updating the app. Second is you might consider even deleting the app, reinstalling it, or not completely stop using it, as it could be a battery draining app. So in both cases, whatever the app that you have targeted, for example, if you need to update it, just go to the App Store and then search for it. For example, if I want to update TikTok, as an example that was draining my battery, I would go there, check if there's an update and go ahead and update it. And if you needed to delete an app, you're going to long press and hold and then remove app, and you'd click on remove app and delete app and then go to the App Store and re-download it. Now, the next thing you might want to consider is the brightness level on your phone. So if you take a look at by swiping down is the brightness control. Whenever you're at a higher brightness, your battery is going to drain quicker because it takes a lot more power to make it brighter. So you may consider lowering it just a little bit to reduce that draining. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is this ability to go into your setting. Battery again is being able to use this power mode. You're going to go ahead and turn on low power mode temporarily and then turn it off, and that's going to go ahead and recalibrate the battery. But with the low power mode, if your battery is draining a lot, you may consider using this just to reduce some of the processing, which will slow down the draining. Now, another thing you want to go ahead and consider is from your setting is you're going to go to general and take a look at background app refresh. And if you have this on by any chance, let's say you have it on, that means all of these apps may be running in the background, constantly draining out of your battery. And it says it right here. To preserve your battery, you want to turn these settings off because generally when you open up an app, you'll get the updates. You just don't need to have them running in the background. But if you do need it, of course, you can have it on and select which app you want on and turn off the rest. Now, another key setting you want to check out is from your setting here is going to be your privacy and security. Specifically, location services. So if you have location services on, which is fine to do, is you want to take a look at which apps are using the location services. You don't want all the apps using the location services all the time because that means it's constantly looking at your location and also using a GPS, which can drain out the battery quicker. So review the list of things you don't need GPS and just select never. For example, if you don't need basically location for camera, you turn it off, and then any other apps as well. And after that, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is going to be doing a simple force restart. So what you'll need to do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button. So in order to do that, I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button in this order. This method is known as a force restart, which will shut down the phone software completely and then reload the code, essentially recalibrating your phone once it turns back on. Slightly more of an advanced feature than just a simple restart. So all I did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen went completely black and the Apple logo appeared. Now, after that, the next thing you're going to want to do is go into your setting and then go to general, software update, and look to see if there is an update. Usually when it comes to a major update, there's more minor updates that are there to fix issues like battery draining. So check for updates, and if there's an update, make sure you update to the latest version. Now, with all of this, your phone should now be fixed if it was draining fast. And keep in mind, sometimes when you do a major update, it does take a couple of days for the phone to index, so it might seem like it's draining the battery quicker. So just give it a few days after you follow this step, and after that, it should be fixed. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.